Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to add a rich text editor in React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have a rich text editor where we can add anything and we can format it. You want to go with this one, text align or whatever, you can bold, italic, underline. Okay, you can add the link, you can make the headings also. Okay, so this is the minimum features that this editor give us. So if you want something like this, you want to add into your any of the text area, so you can use that one. Okay, so how we have done, I'm going to teach you in this video. Let's get started. So it's very easy and the very simple that you have to install the React quill. Okay, and here you need to import the styles. Okay, so this is my component, that is my rich text editor, or you can make any component. Okay, so these are the default use states. We are going to set that is editor HTML. Whenever I want to add anything into the text editor, so I want to get all the data. Okay, so how I get this, just using the states over here, initialize function to handle the change in the editor. Whenever I do something in the editor, it will change and it will lock over here. Okay, next we have this, you can see that over here. Yeah, now we have the React quill component on change handler. Okay, so theme should be snow, value editor HTML on change handle change style that 100%, ensure the editor fills the parent container's height. Okay, if you want to show that HTML content, that is editor HTML, so basically you can just enable this one, and whatever I will write over here, it will show over here. Okay, so whatever I will write, okay, you can see it shows over here. Okay, so this is the way that we can set into the state, and wherever you want to send this content, you can send. Okay, and after this, it's finished. Okay, and it's very easy to add into your React project or any of the text editor in the React you want, you can replace with this one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.